Hi guys, today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how I make my fan edit. Today I'll be using this app called PicsArt. First, I'm gonna go ahead and open up a white background. Then I'm gonna go ahead and press the add photo button and add in the picture I wanna edit. Next, I'm gonna press on the cutout button and select a person. Then I'm gonna select the parts I wanna keep and the parts that I don't want. Next, I'm gonna press the add photo button again and add in a dripping effect picture. I got this off Google. You can just search for dripping effect and save it in your gallery. Then I'm gonna press on blend and select screen. Once you're done resizing the picture, you can go ahead and press the fit button and press on the eraser on the top to erase the parts that are not needed. Then I'm gonna go ahead and press on the crop button and crop my picture. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and press the sticker button and search for watercolor splash. Next, I'm gonna press on the erase tool to erase away the things that are not needed. Next, I'm gonna press the sticker button again and search for aesthetic stickers to add in the stickers that I like. press on the brushes at the bottom and add in more details to my edit. Once you're done, you can press the apply button on the top right corner and press next. And there we have it, your edit is complete.